In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Chrysler Pacifica key fob. This key fob was started use in 2017 and it's used all the way up to present day, and it takes just one CR2032 battery. You can get these batteries online for just a couple bucks. I will leave a link in the description to pick one up on Amazon, and then you can just follow along and do the entire process yourself. So first step to changing the battery is we want to push down on this button here so that we can remove. Just hold that down. It can be a little bit tricky. Hold that down and pull out the key. There we go. That's the hardest part. From here, we just want to take a flathead screwdriver or a similar tool. And if you can see, here's the keyhole. And to each side, there's a little space. We're going to put our tool in. First, I'm going to go on the right side. See, just like this. We go on the right side and twist. You can see, now we've created an opening on both sides. Just going to go insert in that opening that we've made. Twist again. Come down a little bit more. Working your way down. Let me go to the other side. Go in the opening at the top, make another little opening. Okay, and now I think it will just come off nicely like that. From here, you're going to need some kind of a tool that can fit into that small hole right there. I'm going to be using a precision screwdriver. If you don't have one of these at home, you could use a toothpick or maybe a pencil if you're careful. If you want, you can pick up some of these precision screwdrivers on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description. They're just a couple bucks and they're really handy to have. So you're just going to take your small tool and literally just apply pressure into that area. See this little hole? There's actually an arrow right there. You're just going to put a small flathead, toothpick, whatever you got, push it down, and you can kind of rock it up and the battery will come flying right out. Take a new CR2032 battery, make sure this positive side goes face up, and just slide it in under that area first and click it down until it sits in there flush. Now it's very easy to just click this back in place and put your internal key back in as well. And that's all it takes, guys. Super easy. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give us a like or leave a comment. And for more information on changing batteries for any of your key fobs from any maker model, go ahead and check out the rest of the videos on our YouTube channel or go to fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.